So today I'm going to build a set of quick disconnects for my anti-sway bar links. This should work for most links or can be modified to be used or replace other links depending on design. If these don't work for you and you'd like to see a video on how to build quick disconnect links for your vehicle, go ahead and leave your year, make, and model in the comments. That being said, these are going to be used on a lifted 2009 Subaru Outback, and they'll both lengthen the link as well as enable me to quickly disconnect them when going off-road. I'm using two of these 44mm long 5/16 thread coupling nuts per link, one 38mm long fully threaded 5/16 thread Hex key stud per link, and two 6mm long 8/32 thread hex key set screw per link. If you don't need to lengthen your links, you can use a single coupling nut and forego the stud, but will still require two set screws per link. For this work, I used a digital caliper, black oxide drill bits, adjustable wrenches, hex keys, a metal file, tap and die set, and a drill press. Although a handheld drill will work as well. Before buying coupling nuts, studs, and set screws, measure the diameter of the rod between the two ends of the link. To begin with, thread 19mm, which is half of the stud, into one coupling nut. Hold it in place with a hex key. Then thread the second coupling nut on the remaining 19mm of the stud. Now tighten the two coupling nuts against one another. Next, remove the remaining threads using a drill bit matching the diameter of the sway bar link rod. I used the drill bit one step size down to first line up the coupling nut with the drill. I was able to use a drill press, however the same results can be achieved with a handheld drill and a vise or anything to hold the coupling nut in place. Try not to use too much pressure when removing the threads, as the bit does tend to get stuck easily. Be sure the drill bottoms out against the stud to remove all the threads. This will prevent the sway bar link from getting stuck inside the quick disconnect. Once you've removed the thread, mark and drill the holes for the set screws. Note, I use a 9/64 drill bit to keep the thread as tight as possible, but a 5/32 bit would work just as well. Once that's done, you can tap the set screw holes with an 8/32 tap, or a tap corresponding to the size set screw you used. After tapping the set screw holes, be sure to remove any burrs left behind from drilling and tapping. Test fitment of the set screws to make sure they protrude enough into the hole but no more than 50% of the hole diameter. That's it for the first part of this how-to video. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to see the second and final part of this how-to video. Thanks for watching.